Hi guys. So I decided that I'm gonna be doing bump dates or pregnancy update, or what do you call them? Whatever you want to call them. I decided I'm going to do that because since I got pregnant with this baby, I haven't been in the mood to do anything of lately. Like, I am almost 19 weeks, but this is going to be technically my 18-week update. So I'll be 19 weeks on Friday, and today is Tuesday. So I figured I would start doing them because, okay, I'm back, guys. So we found out the gender of the baby, and I was gonna do a gender reveal party, but then I was like, no, I'm not gonna do a gender reveal party because, you know, that's a waste of money and time and effort. So I was like, I announced on Facebook, so some of you guys know the gender and some of you don't, because not a lot of people follow me on my personal page on Facebook. But we are happy to say that hold on for a second. We're happy to say that baby A1, it's a girl. It's a girl. And we are super excited to be expecting our second daughter, and she's healthy, and we go in 2 weeks to do our anatomy scan, where they do, you know, full scan and everything of the baby and stuff like that. So we go in 2 weeks, and we found out at 13 weeks for the gender, and it's something that we paid for. We paid for it because we was just too anxious to find out what the baby was. And it wasn't because we wanted to shop or anything. It's because we knew that this baby would be our last baby, and we were just like, okay, what are the numbers? Because we already have 3 boys and 1 girl. So we were hoping to even up the numbers. Not even up the numbers. We were hoping to add another little girl to our family. Granted, if it was a boy, we would still be excited to have a boy, because I don't have anything against, you know, but our hopes and plans were for another little girl to join our family, and so that my daughter would have a sister to grow up with, and, you know, someone she could relate with and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm happy that we're having a girl. And at first I wasn't kind of excited because, you know, comes with little girls, you have to do their hair, and, you know, you have to make sure that they're safe, and, you know, it's a lot of weird predators out in the world. Granted, it could happen to boys as well, but with girls it's much more common and stuff. So, and being someone that was a victim, it doesn't make it any easier to, you know. Anyways, so this is also my 18-week update. For 18 weeks, there's nothing lot going on more than my tongue. There's this weird these spots on my tongue, and this weird nasty coating on my tongue that I've been experiencing. I'm more thirsty now. I'm a lot thirsty, very dehydrated. Let's see, I'm having a lot of pressure down there. I'm having a lot of Braxton Hicks, especially when I walk, because my husband has me walking at least 10 minutes every day, so he'll go with me and we'll walk for at least 10 minutes just to keep me active, and you know, just circulations in your legs and stuff like that, because I'm having a C-section. And so he tried to keep me walking and stuff like that. I am out of breath a lot more lately. I find that no matter what I do, I'm always out of breath, and like, I'll get up and go to the bathroom and I'm out of breath, and if I go to the refrigerator or, you know, stuff like that, just daily activities makes me out of breath. So that's that. What else am I experiencing this week? I am thirsty a lot. I am not craving anything. I am having a weird craving where I am craving dirt, and I know it's weird, and I know that they say that it could be your iron that is low, that why you're craving that. But as a child, I used to eat dirt, So I don't know, but I am craving dirt. So I'm taking my prenatal tablets, and it has iron in it. So, and as well as supplementing as well. So the cravings are not that strong. It's only when it rains and you smell, the earthly thing. It's weird. But I haven't given into it because I am carrying a baby and I don't know, what could be in it or anything like that. So yeah, it's just craving that I'm having. And I'm having a lot of heartburn now. I tried to drink milk, or I take Rolaids. That's the only thing I take is Rolaids. My doctor said it was safe for me to take Rolaids, so I take Rolaids and it will help. And I always go with the milk first before I take Rolaids. So if milk doesn't suit it, I would go with Rolaids, and I try to stay away from spicy, too much salt or sugar, on all of that stuff, so that I don't get heartburn, because that tends to trigger it. So any kind of saucy food, I try to stay away from that, and just really plain fruits and vegetables. I love a lot of grapes, bananas. Right now my favorite thing is this banana bread bagel with cream cheese and banana. That's my favorite thing right now to eat. So I'm gonna show you guys my stomach, and I think that's it for this 18-week bump day, and I go back in 2 weeks. So right now I'm going to the doctor every 4 weeks. So my next appointment is in 2 weeks. So, and then after that it's 4 weeks again. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my stomach. You guys can see. So right now this is my my 18-week baby bump, and yeah, she's getting really big. So I don't do the skin videos. So this is from the side, and this is from the front. So you guys can't really see my. So this is the frontal view. This is the side. You guys can see. Yep. So that's it. So I will see you guys next week for my 19-week update. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.